Can you solve this question in 5 minutes? This is a P5 question sent to me by one of my TikTok followers from Indonesia. As there is not enough information to formulate two equations, we cannot solve this by simultaneous equation. We will use guess and check to solve this. Okay, let F be the father's age. Since the father's age is written in front of Jinlin's age, we will expect the two digits to be in the thousands and hundreds place. So we should add two zeros behind F, okay, multiply by 100 to get 100F to get the full value of these two digits. Then we let J be Jinlin's age. There's no need to add any zeros to this because it is in the tens and the ones place. Next, we'll add up the value of these two numbers, 100F plus Jinlin's age. The purpose of this column is to give us the value of the 4-digit number. The next column will be the age difference between father and Jinlin, followed by the end result, and then a check column. Since the end result is 3786, so the father's age should be somewhere between like 30 to 40 years old, and Jinlin's age should be somewhere between maybe 10 to 20 because it has to be two digit. At the same time, Jinlin cannot be too old. Okay, the father will be too young to bear a child that's so old. So our first guess could be like 30 and 10. So 30 times 100 is 3000. Okay, so the 100F plus J becomes 3000 plus 10, which is 3010. So we have formulated the 4-digit number. And what's the difference between F and J? 30 minus 10, that gives you 20. Then the end result is this, 3010 minus 20 equals to 2990. So this answer is wrong. Next, we'll increase the father's age by 1 and keep Jinlin's age constant so that we can see the net effect of the father's age being increased by 1. So this 1 times 100 becomes 3100. Keep Jinlin's age as 10. The addition of these two numbers becomes 3110. So the 4-digit number form is 3110. And when you take 31 minus 10, F minus J, you get 21. So what's the difference between these two answers? It is 3089. You see an increase in the end result of 99. Of course, this answer is still wrong. Next, we will increase Jinlin's age by 1 to see the effect of increasing Jinlin's age on the end result. So the father is still 31 years old, 100F is still 3100, but Jinlin has been increased by 1 to 11. So the addition of these two is 3111. And then the difference between F minus J would be 20 again. And then the end result will be 3091, which means an increase of only 2. Although the answer is wrong, we have clues on how to solve it now. We now know that the difference between 3786 and this number, the latest number 3091, the difference is 695. If we take 695 divided by 99, why 99? Because each time the father's age increased by 1, there's an increase of 99 to the total, the end result. So this will give us 7 groups of 99, remainder 2. So we increase the father's age by 7 to 38 years old, and this 100F becomes 3800. Jinlin stays as 11 years old. The combine of these two is 3811. Then what is the father minus Jinlin? This will be 27 now, and the end result 3811 minus 27 is 3784. So the increase of the father's age by 7 years old causes this to increase by 693. The answer is still wrong, but now we know that we are only 2 numbers away from 3786. In order to add 2, I keep the father constant at 38 years old. This is 3800. Jinlin will increase by 1 because we know that each time Jinlin increases by 1, the total increases by 2. So the number now becomes 3812, and the difference between 38 and 12 is 26. And if you take 3812 minus 26, you will get the answer of 3786. So the answer is correct. Jinlin's age is 12 years old.